Alright. Not much this week. I took a little break, but I got a bunch of stuff in the mail, so I'm just gonna go over it. Shovel head issue was, one of them was this plug thing I got in the mail. eBay special. Mine was too long, I guess. I don't know. I put a shorter one in from someone else's. Came in the mail, so it's gonna go back to my buddies. Pretty cool. Came from these guys. Pretty awesome sticker. Go check them out at maybe you can see that. But I got that part for my oil pump. Another part for my oil pump. I don't know if the other one works. It's got a bunch of goop around it, so I'm assuming that it's not great. So I got a bunch of brake line stuff. I got the universal braided lines. They're pretty nice. I got them on my other bike. They're too long. Probably end up swapping them. Banjo bolt. I don't think it's gonna fit, but we'll try that. What else? Got an elbow, got another elbow, and I got this thing from Prism. Push rod tool. I haven't used it yet, but it seems like it's gonna be a good tool. It's super nice. Open it up. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet tool. Gonna have to put it into use. Prism supply stuff's always super nice. You know, you pay for what you get. Also, my taillight took a crap on my Sportster, so I bought a light. Again, package is super nice. I got this light, really heavy duty. I'm gonna weld this to my sissy bar, so I was expecting it to be nice, but this is way better than I thought. Well worth the money. It comes with instructions, which is insane for us not so bright people. A different lens comes in there, one that sticks out. I might put that on there. This one's flat. I also got a wild hair at my butt, and got the magic box. So I'll probably try to get that going. Since I'm going to single wire with this thing, about 10 feet of black covered cloth wire. So yeah, now I got a lot of stuff to do. Let's try it out. Alright, this is the light I got now, which is just bolted on, about the same size. So what I'm gonna have to do is cut this out. Probably tack that bad boy in there. And I got the magic box, but I still gotta put a ground on it, so that's kind of a waste of money. And then the magic box has this weird size, which I was hoping I could get away with putting it underneath or somewhere, but everything I got is 1/2 inch. This hole is tiny. So I'm probably gonna have to just tape it on there, hidden back here somehow. I might not wire today, but it's kind of disappointing. One wire my ass. See on the directions, you'll still need a ground. So that's 2 wires. What a disappointment. All right, so on the website for this light, they have the light going in there. It looks like they carved out a good portion of each side, like to recess this in there. But I don't think I'm going to do that. I think it only really needs a healthy tack on each side, a nice healthy booger, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So I got it all cleaned up. You know, nobody will notice how crappy it is. But now I just got to debate where I want to put it. But that's pretty much the gist of it right there. All right, I think I like it like that. Kind of flush with the back. I don't really care if the back sticks out too much. And then I got the wiring going to the side because it's going to go that way anyway, so I might as well keep it that way. All right, well, I'm going to try to unhook the battery, but I'm going to pretty much just tack this on there and see what happens. So I cooked the lens. I should have took it out before. Good thing it comes with another one, that's probably why. But it's got a little ring in there I popped out, and I'm trying to figure out if I can take the lights out. I might have to buy another set or something. Dang it, I should have thought about it before I made these horrible tacks. But yeah, so I'm gonna let it cool down. It might be a 2-dayer. Well, hello. I got it out, but I definitely cooked it. So that was the other day. I had to stop because I was like, man, I'm being a dumbass. I cooked the light. I should have taken it apart and figured it all out. I was just worried about getting a video out. So I took a little break, ordered another one. Prism Supply has all their spare parts you can buy. Pretty cheap, 20 bucks or whatever. So I got another one shipped over. I got the other lens for it. I finished welding it. It doesn't look the best. I should have just waited. I needed thinner filler rod. I've been using the same stuff and it's like kind of thick, but here it is. Yeah, I just got big old heavy tacks. Really don't care. But it's a good light, I recommend it. Get one, take your time, take the sissy bar off and all that. Don't do what I did, try to tack it on there. I'm gonna get this done, and what am I waiting on? Oh yeah, just waiting on this in the mail. Should be here next weekend. And I'll wire it up and be back to square one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I go to my web store. I got new merch on there. I'm just changing it. The other shirts were cotton, so they shrunk too crazy. Sorry for everyone who bought one. I haven't had a cotton shirt in decades, and it turned into 3 sizes too small. Anyways, next week we'll try again. See ya.